guys, so andito na kami guys. Kadarating lang namin ni Toltol. Buti na lang hindi naman siya malayo. It's about 11 minutes far. So mga 7, almost 7 miles away. So ayan yung damit guys nung pamangkin ko. Tapos yung dalawa, nahulog pala yung dalawa. Yung ni-repair nga. So tara Toltol. Maambon-ambon siya na madilim, mahangin. Pero hindi naman malakas yung ulan siya guys. Come on Toltol. Buti yung wedding daw guys is ano lang siya, parang 5 minutes I mean about 20 minutes away lang dito, malapit yung ano yung wedding reception saka yung wedding church ata or something. Come on Toltol, help me bring this for me please. So ito guys yung dalawang damit kay Lala at saka kay Tata. Yan si Toltol, aking helper.
Let's go, it's raining.
Okay, watch out. And then ito yung sa ano ko, yung sa we have to lock first. Okay, go ahead, close it. So ito guys yung hotel. Medyo malaki-laki itong hotel guys. Parang feeling ko parang mga 500, 600 rooms ito. Right? So anyway, kahapon pala guys, nung dumating kami dito is 6 o'clock ng gabi. Merong shooting dyan. Ayan, yung buong lobby na yan at saka dito sa harap. At saka yung buong ano nila, yung dyan, yung parkingan nila is lahat ano, puno ng mga ano lang tag dito, mga equipment. Ito yung harap na to na yung may sasakyan. Total, let's go over here. Ano tawag dito, may shooting dyan at saka ito. Punong-puno yung merong mga ano dito kahapon, yung mga, alam mo yun, yung mga equipment dito, yung mga director, ganun. Tapos ayan yung ano nila. So dito punong-puno yan guys, all the way dyan sa lobby. Yung ano, yung mga ganyan. Yan yung ano nila, yung front desk. Oh, muntik na ako maano. Ayan, ganda yung ano. Tapos ayan yung... Alright, go, 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 go.
11?
Alright, 11 please. So... Alright guys, so ang daming mga ano dito, grabe yung hair ko. Tawag dito, marami yung mga flight stewardess dito kanina. Punong-puno yung buong 11th floor ng mga stewardess. Ewan ko, parang ANA yung ano nila, yung naka-badge dito. So anyway, so hi guys. Total here. Yeah. Sweet kasi yung in-order nung sister-in-law ko yung sa ano namin, yung sa kabila. Yung bride na gano'n sila nag-make up, gano'n. So dito kami sa kabila, so punong-puno guys. So baka, ewan ko kung makapag-vlog ako dyan kasi parang nakakahiya. Ang dami nila. Okay. Alright. Si Lala, ayos na yung buhok niya. Si Tata din, nakaayos na yung hair. Ayan yung damit nilang dalawa. Ayan. Puno kami dito guys. Yung family ng asawa ko dito sa kabila. Nag-make-upan sila. So, ito yung, alam mo yun. So, dadalhin natin sa kabila. Ayan sila. Ito pala guys yung binigay ng bride doon sa ano, kay Lala at saka kay Tata na earrings. Ang cute, diba? Yeah. So, susuot nila siguro yan mamaya. So, nakaligo naman ako kanina na. So, ang gagawin ko is papaayos ako kay Lala ng buhok. At saka konting makeup lang. Ito yung banyo guys. Nagkalat, sang katuta kasi kami dito. Ito pala guys yung view dito sa room kung saan kami. Ito daw hockey, ano daw yan, stadium. Pero wala na siya daw. Binili daw yan ni yung asawa ni Beyonce, itong stadium na yan, tapos nilipat na nila. So, parang concert lang daw yan dyan, concert. Hindi na yung hockey field na pinaglalaruan. Madilim-dilim siya, umuulan pa. Ano lang naman, mahina lang naman, kaya lang. Pero, ano din daw yan mamaya eh. Isisikat ng araw ng mga 5-6 o'clock. By the way guys, kahapon, manicure, pedicure kaming lahat. Tingnan mo naman yung pa ako guys. O, diba? Oh, wait, sandali ah. Diba? So, nagpa-manicure, pedicure, saka nagpamasahe kami kahapon. Lahat kami. So, yan. Tapos ang aking nails. Ano lang siya, yung neutral lang siya. So, yun. Anyway. Si Lala na mag-ayos ng buhok ko kasi.
Are you okay? What are you doing?
Measuring. Stay back.
They mean approximately.
No, it doesn't say approximately. You have to trust the label makers. They're professional label makers.
Give me
Wait a
that.
second, you're too close. You okay? We did it. We'll write these people a letter. They could have been killed.
That's a black one.
Are you Monk?
Lala.
Adrian Monk? The detective. The famous, admired, respected detective?
Mom, did you fart?
No.
If you still want a job, we can go talk in the kitchen.
What job?
Aren't you here from the agency?
No. I came here to hire you. I'm Natalie Seeger.
Oh no, it's her daughter's Jordan.
Captain Stottlemyre said that you might be able to help
Hold
me.
on, let me get the clock.
He said you're the best.
So what do you think guys?
Do side flip. No.
Oh, wait.
Hold on, let me see. Okay, turn. Like that.
Yeah, so
Turn
ganyan.
to the other side. Turn. Keep turning. Okay, you can go to the front now. Front.
Yeah, so
I like it.
maganda kasi gusto ko lang simple lang siya. Yung yung tawag
Do you
dito.
want me to curl your eyelashes?
I can do it myself. Oh, this, you see the white thing? It's supposed to be oh, because there is a bigger. I'll have to cut this first. Okay. Come on, Aya, let me fix your clothes. Let me see. I need the earrings. I need the to cut the things. Yeah.
Where's her push bag?
Alright. Let's get.
It's really tight.
Okay, may total. Let me see total. Total. Hey guys, so ito yung damit natin guys. Diba? Ang kaso lang, ako lang mag-isa dito guys. Sa sasakyan. Kasi naglimo sila. Lahat. Eh sabi ko sasakay din ako ng limo sana. Kaso lang, sabi ng sister-in-law ko, dalhin mo yung sasakyan mo. Sabi niya kasi baka kailangan natin ng sasakyan mamaya. Halimbawa ba? So sabi ko sige okay lang para at least kung halimbawa na gustong maagang lumabas or umuwi, meron tayong sasakyan sabi ko. So sinendan niya sa akin yung address. Parang paalis na rin sila. Lahat sila. So ako lang mag-isa. Ay. Ako lang mag-isa. Dala ko yung violin, yung stand, tama ba? Wala kaya ako nakalimutan yung bag niya na gusto niyang magpadala sa akin. Yeah, so tara na guys kasi ano na, mag alas 6 na pala, alas 7 daw kung umpisay ng saka na lang tayo mamaya mag picture. Alright guys, andito na tayo. Nasa harap natin yung limousine. Nauna pa ako sa kanila guys, nauna silang umalis, pero nauna pa akong dumating, kaya lang na-stuck ako dyan sa red light. So nauna silang pumasok dahil dyan sa kabila sila dumaan, pero nauna ako sa kanila. Yung light andito lang siya limousine. Andyan sila lahat. Ay, hindi ko alam kung pwede tayo. Ayan yung limousine nila. So, papark tayo. Oh, valley pala ito. Hi. I have some stuff to bring inside though.
You know what?
I have some stuff to bring inside.
If you want, pull up here and do it, and then when you're done, give us the
Okay.
key and we'll park it for you.
Okay, great. Thank you. Alright.
Just let me
Should
know
I
when
just
you're
leave
done,
it?
and I'll
Should
park
I just leave it here?
it. Now you need that to get the key later.
Okay, great. Okay. Thank you.
You want to just pull right there in the handicap for now.
Alright, great. Okay. Pull the car because I have stuff to So, magpupula. Oh, teka. Calamari. Okay, and that is chicken. Alright, so we're gonna eat first. Guys, may mga apoy sila guys. Actually maganda siya guys, kaso lang medyo malamig-lamig siya. Maganda, umulan kanina 'di ba nung umaga, pero nag-cleared up siya. So bali ganda nung the setting nila. So bali ito ata yung niya, 'di ba? Galing siya diyan yung bride. Cute. Anyway, andyan na yung musician din nila na isa pa. Guys, malamig-lamig kasi nga mahangin. Lumamig. So, dito muna tayo. Magpainit-init. Kasi andun pa naman yung di ba? Doon na yung sinetlab ko yung nung sister-in-law ko yung violin niya. Tapos meron pa dito music din sila. May additional musician. So, dito muna tayo kasi malamig. Maya, mga mga 20 minutes na lang guys. Darating na sila dito. Papasok na sila. So, ayoko nang umakyat doon sa taas kasi masakit yung paa ko sa akyat baba. Saka may isang may isang wedding din na ang dami ding tao dito sa kabila. So mahirap mag-akyat baba. Saka yung brother-in-law ko. Bridesmaid na sa si Lala, si Tata, saka si Toltol.
let go of my claim on you. It's a free world. You look down on me.
and fill you with all spiritual benediction and grace, that ye may so live together in this life, that in the world to come ye may have life everlasting. Amen.
Amen.
You may now kiss your bride.
Do you know how it feels to wake up with someone that you love? It feels so real. My angel was sent from above. I like to see her smile. Even when I look in her eyes, I get butterflies. I don't wanna change. I don't wanna change. I don't wanna change her life. I wanna change her life and give her mine onto her. But feelings first, baby girl.
Guys, tapos na guys. Nandun na kami sa cocktail. Pero nagpipicture pa yung mga bridal entourage here. So, ako naman, kinukuha ko yung mga music thing at dadalhin natin sa loob. Alright guys, so just finished doing the tawag dito yung kanyang cocktails. So, akit na kami sa taas guys para sa formal dining.
Oh. Rock fans and Colts fans. I want you guys to please give a warm round of applause for Christine and Jamal. Please make some noise for Mr. and Mrs. Forbes.
From this moment, I promise I will breathe for your happiness. I give my last word. From this moment on, I give my hand to you with all my heart. Can't wait to live my life with you. Can't wait to start.
Guys, pangatlong pagkain na to. It's close. Ano ba yan? Kailangan pala sa labas talaga. Alright guys, alas 2 na ng madaling araw guys. Kakapark ko lang. So, dinrap ko lang sila dito sa harap ng hotel. Nauna na sila dun sa taas. So, yeah. Oh, what a day guys. Pero, ang saya kaya. Grabe yung sayawan. Basta masaya siya guys. So, ano guys, i-close ko na lang muna to kasi late na siya. Alas 2 na. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Next time na ulit, 11 o'clock. Alas 2 na guys, alas na madaling araw. So sa lamig-lamig, buti may mga sweater kami pero yung mga damit iba ng mga bata, mga halter. So sa labas ang lamig. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, thank you.